Hey, WoF here. Do you know who is this guy? His name is Ziad Faza. He was born in Liberia, but he is from Lebanon. You know what's special about him? He can speak more than 55 languages. He can speak and write them. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Welcome to the world of facts. My friends have always been asking me a question on how many languages do you speak and how many languages can we speak. We wish to learn English or French or any other language. What is the easiest way to do so? And what I tell them is that I speak 4 languages, but that might be because of my ethnical background. But mostly in the world, especially in Europe and America, usually people speak only one language because a country has their own language. France has French, Germany has German, Italy has Italian, Turkey has Turkish. In the same way, England has English. But the problem is that the English nowadays is becoming an international language around the world. And everyone, doesn't matter he is from Japan or Russia or America or South Africa, they wish to learn English. And there's nothing bad about it. There's nothing wrong about it. But they don't actually know how to do it. With basic tips on how you can learn a language that I have been telling you with my own experience, how I have done that. And they are not very difficult, so let's find out. First of all, there is a misconception in people that to learn a language, you need to know all of their grammar. If not all, then at least 50% of their vocabulary before you can actually speak it. This is not the case. I was not educated in an English medium school, and then I started learning the grammar, and then I started talking with people. I used to speak in broken English, but then I found few ways by which I could improve my English, and today I can speak more fluently with you people. First of all, what you should do is, while learning a language in general, or English particularly, you should just learn the tenses and the basic grammar structure, which is the most important thing of that language. And once you know that, then just leave the books aside, and then you need to find different ways on how you can improve your vocabulary. And trust me, you cannot do it with dictionary. Dictionary just confuses you in the initial stage. Yes, it is helpful when you are talking with other people, you are writing research paper, or academically you need something, then the dictionary is something helpful. But in general discussion, like day-to-day discussion, it's not really important. First of all, you need confidence, self-confidence that you can do it. Because if you think that you cannot do it, then no one can make you believe that you can do it. Millions of people have done this before, and millions will do after. Then why can't I? And secondly, very interestingly, I personally believe that you should increase your hearing practice. Not reading, not writing. They are helpful, but their speed and pace is very slow. So if you wish to learn fast, you should improve your hearing. You should hear more. Now, this is a very important and critical problem, because what happens is you start hearing, but it's not improving. Like you watch movies, you watch English songs or sports documentaries, but the problem is that you are not targeting the correct data. You are not targeting the speakers who are designed for you. For example, you are a busy person, as all of us mostly are. You only have 10 minutes a day to hear the English, to listen to the English, and you choose someone from England or from America maybe, or Australia. They are native English speakers, and you're hearing them 10 minutes a day. Now the problem is that you might only be understanding 20 to 25% of what they are saying. So it means that if you're hearing 10 minutes a day and you're only understanding 20%, it means you're just understanding 2 minutes of data only. So those 8 minutes are wasted. You're wasting it every day. What you should do is, first of all, you should find a speaker. It doesn't matter if he is native or not, but you should understand his way of speaking. You should understand his dialect, if he is speaking very fast or very slow. And then you should try to follow him or her, hear them every day. Every day talk with them with something about something new, maybe politics, maybe sports, or whatever you like to talk about. But discuss with someone whose English you can understand at least 80%. In this way, you're not wasting your time. If you are hearing them for 10 minutes and you're understanding 80% of what they say, it means that you're understanding 8 minutes a day. What I did in my personal life to improve my English, I used to watch a few series on television, on American television. I'll refer that. It's called The Mentalist. It's already gone. It's off air now. They had 6 seasons. I really liked and understood the way the main character Patrick James spoke. And secondly, since I am an aviator, so I used to hear Mayday air crash investigation from England. Sometimes they speak a bit faster, sometimes they speak a bit slower, but the best thing about it is, since it's related to my profession as well, they include many people in their discussions. It's like it's an episode of 40 minutes, but in that time, only one person is not speaking. There are more than 10-20 people, and they come from all around the world, and their dialects and their speaking is different. But what you can do is, for now, you can just subscribe to my channel. I try to upload a video every day. It's in English language. It is related to facts actually. I don't teach English grammar here. It's related to facts about technology, about world, about sports, about celebrities, but that is in English. And if you can hear like 1 or 2 episodes a day, definitely after a few months, maybe after a month, you will start understanding many things that you didn't understand before, and it will increase and enhance your knowledge. And these are a few tips which I wanted to share with you, and it will be really helpful for you and for me as well. So good luck language learning. Subscribe for more.